Maisy here.
And Charlie too.
Here's the boating pond. Hey, Peacock.
Hello.
Could we have a boat?
One boat, please.
Sure. You need these.
Good idea.
Life jackets.
So we can be safe.
Here's your boat.
Oh.
Geronimo!
Oh. Don't forget the oars. We're ready.
Off you go.
Oh.
Enjoy.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merry, life is but a dream. What fun!
Quack, quack.
Hello, duck.
Quack,
Have some
Quack.
bread.
quack, 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 quack. Thank you. Quack, 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 quack. Quack. Quack.
Bye-bye, duck.
Bye, duck.
Bye.
Keep it going, Maisy.
That's hard work. Charlie, it's your turn to row.
Okay. Oh, be careful, I'm just gonna crawl. You okay?
Yep, I think so.
Time to get rowing.
Watch what happens when I touch the water. Oh. Charlie, don't tell me you're feeling tired.
I am tired.
I'll take one oar, you take the other one, and we'll row together.
Did you like rowing your boat? Remember to leave us a comment down below. Hit the thumbs up button if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't want to miss anything.
Oh, watch out!
Oh, hi, Tallulah. We didn't see you.
Sorry about that. I'm going on that island. Rat, rat.
Is that a frog?
Rat.
It is. Nice dance.
Oh no, my boat is floating away.
We'll get it back for you.
Got it.
Well done, friends. Now bring this back.
We're on it.
Here's your boat.
Thanks, Maisy and Charlie. Goodbye.
Have fun rowing your boat.
See you later. Peace.
Goodbye.